If you look at this question, it is told in the problem, if the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square divided by 1 is equal to 1. This is the ellipse, will meet ellipse 1, let us say, okay, will meet another ellipse, ellipse number 2, will meet another ellipse, x square divided by 1 plus y square divided by a is equal to 1. Okay, at 4 distinct points, let's say like this, okay, one ellipse is there, it will meet another ellipse at 4 distinct points, let us say like this, it is meeting at 4 distinct points, right, possibility is there, no, like this, A, B, C, D, it is meeting another ellipse at 4 distinct points, x axis, y axis, negative x axis and negative y axis, and there is a definition given in the problem, A is equal to b square minus of 10b plus 25, Now the question is asking b does not satisfy which of the following points is the question asked. So now how to solve this problem now? See now, if you compare with the standard case of an ellipse, the equation is x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of the ellipse, or the standard equation of the ellipse can be x square divided by b square plus y square divided by a square. This is equal to 1. Okay, 2 of 1 will be the standard equation of the ellipse, correct or not? So now definitely when you look at this problem, when you look at this this particular value of a, it is understood that a value is greater than 1, correct or not? A value should be greater than 1. Why? A value should be greater than 1. It cannot be an equivalent or equilateral ellipse, right? 1, it should be greater than 1. If it is less than 1, then it will become a hyperbola. If it is less than 1, it will become a hyperbola. It will not become an ellipse, correct? So a has to be greater than 1. So this implies to me that a is nothing but b square minus 10b plus 25 should be greater than 1. So you take the sum and the product, minus 10 and, so I can say b square minus 10b plus 24 should be greater than 0 plus 24. So it is nothing but minus 6 and minus 4. So b, okay, so b must be 6 and 4, right? B should be equal to 6 and 4. So what are the values that we get now? 6 and 4. So b must be greater than 4 and b must be less than 6. How? How do you decide? 4 and 6 you will get here now. 4 and 6 you will get here. Now if you take a point called 0, here, answer will be what? 24 greater than 0. 24 greater than 0. So now if you take a point here, it's matching, right? Greater than 0, it's matching. 24 greater than 0 is matching. So here if you consider the point called 5, what will be the case if you consider the point called 5? 25 minus of 50, 25 minus 50 plus 24. 25 minus 50 plus 24 is less than 0. So in this particular interval, the answer is not matching, right? So what is this answer which is not matching now? B should not belong to 4, 6. B should not belong to 4, 6 because this is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive. Take a value called 10, okay, towards the right side of 6. 100 minus 100 plus 24 greater than 0. So here what is required is greater than 0. So wherever we get the answer as negative, it is not matching. So 4, 6 is not the answer to the question. Also at 4, if you see, answer is becoming equal to 0, right? At 4, answer is becoming equal to 0. At 6, answer is becoming equal to 0. So B more precisely cannot become equal to 4, 6 as seen in the option. This is more accurate. This is correct. It's not just 4, 6 in the open interval, it is in the closed interval because I am looking for a value which is greater than 0, not equal to 0. So it is 4, 6 is the answer to the question, which corresponds to the option number D.